Ito na yung challenge ng kasalista sa Polinian. The new challenger! Kasalista!
American Mile. American
Mile. The Polinian zombie crew.
The Iron Liver.
This is a match for the Iron Liver World Heavyweight Championship. Weighing 35 gallons. 35 gallons of water. Wearing white shirt and blue print. Wearing blue shorts. One fucking slippers. And the other corner. Blue shirt with a whole print in his shirt. With the pants with a very huge nipples in it. Shut up! I'm making a speech, damn it! Alright, what can you say before the fight?
Sabihin ko lang, iinumin ko itong dalawang to.
Oo.
Kasi, ayoko na masobra kasi magdidrive pa ako.
Happy birthday to you!
Sabi mo pito!
Let's hear it from
Carlo.
Sabi mo pito, mataas pa. Carlo.
What can you say?
What can you say, white boy?
Kasi nagtatampo si Carlos sa akin.
Hey, white boy!
White boy, what can you say?
Wag ka na.
Let's smack in the face, bitch!
Philippines, everybody!
Pagbibigyan natin ako.
Game. Punta kayo sa gitna. Checking! Oh, do the checking!
Up.
Okay.
That's
One more.
That's one more. Mess. It's over!
Sumobra ako sa tatlo, tatamaan.
You want that, Philippines? That's famous.